So I'm on location here at a friend of mine's house. His name is Jason. He's right here. And see the mower there? That is the mower. We brought it over here and he's testing it out. We're gonna try it out. He's been using it for a couple weeks. I showed him this mower that I had and I'm like, hey, I got this mower, you know, you wanna try it out at yours? He's like, cause he was asking me about a bagger for this thing. So I was like, well, you should try this one out, see how you like it. And we're gonna take this out and mow his lawn right now. Then we'll get his thoughts on it. He's been using it for about, what, 2 weeks or something? About a couple weeks. He's probably mowed it 3 or 4 times. And we'll get his thoughts and kind of show you what's going on with that. And I'm gonna try it out too. Let's get that sucker out. So this guy, he lives in Smithfield, Utah. Here's his place here. It's a beautiful location he's got. He built this house probably 3 or 4 years ago. And he came to me, he's like, hey, I saw your videos, and was asking me what to do. And I was like, you know, you should use this seed. You should do this and this and this. And his lawn looks really good. I did use this mower one time out in Florida with the lawn care nut at the church, but that didn't work out that great because the lawn wasn't that long. So this is a decent sized lawn. He's cutting it at what, 3 or 4 inches or something like that. Beautiful home, nice landscaping, nice little place he's got here. He's even got his own little setup where he just dispenses fuel whenever the heck he wants to. Look how bad of a boy he is. He fills up the mower with the motor running. That's a bad, bad boy. Bad boy. That's bad. Yeah. Kiss, kiss. That guy's a true lawn rebel. He's gonna start in the back. He's gonna run around the edges. And I told him I wanted to mow the field. I don't want to deal with the edges or anything like that because I don't know his property. See how happy he is? That dog's happy. He's a big old Marmaduke. Great Dane. So Jason here, he seeded the lawn from hydro seed. Used a blend of Kentucky bluegrass. I told him exactly what to do, how to do it, when to do it, and it turned out really good. Last time I was here, this was all dirt. The conditions here are not all that favorable. See all the smoke in the air? There's fires everywhere. So I'm gonna try my luck at this. What are we set to? 2.5. He's got it set to 2.5. And yeah, let's go from there. All right, so first impression, I've just done like 2 or 3 passes. This is the first time I really ever used this mower on like a taller lawn, okay? I used it once and it was too short, didn't cut up anything. But I'm feeling really nervous for some reason. Like I feel like I'm like about to jump off a roller coaster or something. Just feeling like really nervous and weird. I don't know if it's because this is not my lawn or maybe the machine or something. It goes really fast and I'm not sure exactly how fast to take it, if it will mow cleanly, if I shouldn't, if I should. And I'm kind of worried about tearing up the turf on the end passes, turning around. So other than that, it seems to have plenty of power so far. I haven't mowed much. So far, so good. So I'm just gonna finish this and then get my feet wet finishing this. Then I'm gonna tell you my other thoughts behind that. And then we're gonna get Jason's thoughts on that too. Sound good, pal?
Yep, it sure does.
Okay. Oh.
Take deep breaths.
I don't know why, dude. I know how to mow the lawn, but I'm just like feeling like, whoo. Maybe it's because it's your lawn and not mine.
It's gonna grow again. It's like a haircut.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. You can't screw it up. Okay, so the one thing I do know about this mower, folks, is this parking brake thing. Okay, I don't know if it's up or down. It's just gonna take some getting used to. And okay, so I should be able to. The PTO's off. Okay, folks, so I don't dare to go down here. I'm gonna leave that to him. You mow this down here. So he's got a little bit of a slope right here and an awesome creek actually right here. It's just not running because of the drought that we're in. There's just no water. It seems to handle the slope just fine, but so he's probably got 10,000 feet here in the front of his house. He'll mow this in a quick hurry. There's one thing I noticed about mowing that sucker, it's 60 inches wide. You can really get after it. If you've got a 20,000 square foot lawn, it's an awesome mower for getting it done. Probably only been out here maybe 20 minutes. Maybe 20 minutes, and he's probably got 30,000 square feet. Pretty big lawn. I'm noticing that he's not going full bore on the throttle there. He's just kind of going slow like I was. So I'm assuming with that being said, you're gonna get a better cut if you just mow a little bit slower. All right, so I noticed when you were riding, you weren't going full bore like I wasn't. Is that how you normally mow? Like half speed?
Depends on how long it is. Because yeah, I feel like the longer it is, I've got to back it off a little so I get a clean cut on the grass. If I mow it and then go the other way just to clean up these clippings because I don't have any way to bag it, then I'll go a lot faster. A couple things I really like is the deck is close to this point so I can get close to trees that aren't trimmed around. The mower deck comes forward more than my mower, and I do like that. The other thing with the wider deck, it reaches, I have a lot of curves in my curbing, and this wider deck will reach out into some of those better than my 48-inch deck, and I like that a lot. The one thing I do not like,
that's what I want to know, is what do you not like?
When you reach back sometimes not thinking to turn it on, this is right in your elbow.
Oh.
That has got my funny bone, and I did not like that.
So are you saying that this retainer or the clip?
Yeah,
or just the whole thing?
Well, kind of the whole thing. You get used to it.
Yeah, I could see how that would be a issue.
You know, just reaching back to it just puts you right there.
Yeah.
That's the one thing that I would say I dislike.
So this is the roll bar right here, folks. This is in case you have hills or something like that, so it's roll protection. It
could be removed though.
And you could take it off, but I would never do that. Don't you guys worry. I would never do something unsafe. I like to always keep all the safety features on. But this guy, he might, however, but he's taking his life into his own hands if he does that.
I fill up gas without turning it on. Right?
Oh, you were bad.
It's a nice mower.
I think the roll bar, you would put it down to like maybe transport it or something. I don't know.
I saw somebody mowing with this mower on a commercial space, and they just had it tipped down.
Oh, they're bad.
I know.
No, they're gonna get fined. Yep. And I saw him also, he wasn't wearing the seatbelt. Not even once. Not even one time.
Did you?
Of course I did. What about the motor? Is the motor big enough for you?
The motor's big enough.
Yeah, he loves the motor. The motor's awesome.
It feels like it has better blade speed, and I noticed that my grass is a lot more healthy when it cuts
faster.
And
cleaner.
Faster. Yep.
So what about the quality of cut? Are you happy with the quality of cut?
I would say yes.
What about the stripe?
I haven't put the stripe.
But it's striped.
It's
decent.
It's not too bad.
I mean, it's not like perfect, but you know, it stripes decently. But Toro did send a striping kit, just like a little bar, and so he's gonna put that on there. We're gonna let him use it for another couple weeks, then I'll take it back home. 26 horsepower crawler engine, battery operated, electric start. Beautiful, beautiful machine. Got coolant and everything right there. High discharge. You get your mulch blades on there, and you'd probably even get more of a mulch cut if you put like some of those gator blades on there or something.
And one thing I do like about this deck compared to my other one is it is accessible for aftermarket attachments.
Oh yeah.
You can attach a grass bagger here, which is why I started exploring different mower options.
So he has the Husqvarna 48-incher. It's a good mower, like it's a really decent good mower, but he wanted to be able to like bag. He came to me and said, hey, you know, how can I get a bag on this mower? And I'm like, well, I don't know if you can or can't. I really don't know. So I just told him, I said, hey, well, I got this mower. Let's, you know, try it out. It's not a bagger. Mulching your clippings is technically good for your lawn. Some of us don't like it because it just leaves clippings on the lawn, but I mean, I'm looking at what he's done here and you can't see the clippings, so that's good. But we are done mowing and I mowed. He did most of the mowing, but it's a fun mower to use. It mows very quickly. And he probably has 30,000 square feet. We mowed it in probably about 25 minutes. He said when there's no pressure of the camera around, he'll take the mower and just run at it in different directions to kind of clean up all the clippings. And I would do that as well. So I'm gonna let him use it for another week or two, and then I'm gonna bring it back to my house and let my neighbor use it. I'm glad that I came over. He's got a really cool place here. Slightly jealous, but he's not in the mountains like I am, so. And he's a lot hotter than me. This big building here, holy crap, this thing's really nice. This I could use. I could use one of these. He also said he gets these fence posts right here out of California. He brings them in on a semi and then the kids sell them for money. And then the kids have a little bit of spending money here and there. So that's it, Jason. Thanks for letting me come over and mow the lawn. Any last words that you have?
Nope. Thank you, and I'm a fan of Toro.
Yeah, he likes it. Mikey likes it. See you guys later, and we'll see you in the next one. Caller 4 on line 4. First time caller, long time listener. Hey, Alan Hain, what does it take if I want to mow my lawn short? Do I need one of those fancy reel mowers? Yeah, sir, we're gonna have to get you set up with one of those fancy reel mowers. Let's call up Toro and see if we can get them to send you a free one. We got Toro on the line here. Line 1, Toro? Yeah. Hi, this is Toro. Can I get you one of those fancy reel mowers? Oh yeah, I got a caller on the line here that wants one. Oh, let me patch him in.